Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about potential updates that could impact your investments is crucial. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 24, 2023, our system has ranked Microsoft as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.17. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 11.84% since we first listed Microsoft as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.7% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, but it is showing signs of weakness in the short term. This could be a good opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect the stock to move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $370.80, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.98% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return could range between -1.92% and 10.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 50.24% change over the next year, with a potential return between 33.61% and 50.68%. This means that the stock price could range from $493.92 to $557.02 after 1 year. In today's Microsoft update, we have an important headline: Evaluation of Microsoft stock downgraded after the last trading session. Yesterday, on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, the Microsoft stock price experienced a slight decrease of 0.162%. It went from $370.27 to $369.67. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.64%, reaching a low of $367.11 and a high of $373.13. Let's take a closer look at its recent performance. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances, showing a positive trend. In the last 2 weeks, it has increased by 6.82%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 24,000 shares, with a total of 26 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.66 billion. If we look at the stock's performance over the past year, we can see that the highest price it reached was $373.13, while the lowest price was $219.35. Currently, the stock is 0.93% below its 52-week high, which is $373.13. This is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings for Microsoft MSFT. On Monday, November 6, 2023, Bernstein upgraded their rating on Microsoft MSFT to buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, HSBC also upgraded their rating on Microsoft MSFT to buy with an upgrade action. On the same day, Wedbush gave Microsoft MSFT an outperform rating with a hold action. Bernstein, on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, maintained their outperform rating on Microsoft MSFT with a hold action. Jefferies, on Tuesday, October 24, 2023, rated Microsoft MSFT as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating. They have also rated the PE ratio as a strong buy, indicating a favorable valuation. In terms of price to book, the analysts have likewise given it a strong buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Microsoft stock. Microsoft stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $365.82 and $338.02. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which might influence the near short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.162% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. On the last trading day, volume fell along with the price. This reduction in overall risk suggests that volume should continue to follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator has given a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average has provided a buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. When it comes to support levels, the stock finds support just below today's level at $340.67 and $330.22. Support levels are important because they indicate a potentially strong buying interest, which can help prevent further decline in the stock price. However, there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Microsoft, the next support level is at $340.67. If that level is broken, the support from accumulated volume will be at $330.22 and $327.89. Taking a look at the stock's volatility, Microsoft has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $6.02 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 1.64% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.46%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first review some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. For Microsoft, the P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is often seen in established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to recent news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are $2.74. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $370.27. If you're considering entering a position and you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. If you're already holding the stock, keep an eye on this level as it could be a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $340.67. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 13, 2023, young Christopher David sold a total of 10,302,724 shares of common stock. On November 13, 2023, Althoff Judson sold 11,500 shares of common stock. On November 1, 2023, Nadella Satya sold 1,162 shares of common stock. On October 16, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 177,075 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, young Christopher David bought 11,442 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 6.899. Overall, insiders have purchased 397,407 shares and sold 358,504 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $357.54, representing a decrease of 3.28%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which implies a moderate level of risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 89, which significantly increases the level of risk associated with this stock. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Microsoft stock shows positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. We believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems indicate that the current price of Microsoft stock is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 16th, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open up with a gain of $0.300, starting the trading day at $369.97. Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.